17 thirds is an improper fraction because the 17, the numerator, is larger than 3, the denominator. So how do I turn this into a mixed number? Well, let me show you a visual way on how you can think about this without doing the long division that you're probably taught in school. Here I have 17 dots, and I'm just going to rearrange them so that they're a little bit easier to organize by threes. And I want to see how many sets of 3 I can make out of these 17 dots. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the maximum number of full sets of 3 I can have, so I'm going to write the 5 right here. Now, how many dots were left out? What's my remainder? Well, you can see there's still 2 pink dots. And so I'm going to write 2 here, and the denominator on my improper fraction was 3, and so the denominator on my mixed number also is 3. And that's it. Super easy, 17 thirds is equal to 5 and 2 thirds. But what if you were given 5 and 2 thirds and asked to reverse it back into the improper fraction? Well, believe it or not, that method's even easier, and it's called the MAD method. The M stands for multiply, so I multiply the denominator by the big number out front, so 3 times 5 is 15. The A stands for add, so I take that result, 15, and I add the top number, which is 2. That's going to give me 17, because 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And finally, the D, well, as I said before, the denominator will always stay the same, so it's 17 thirds.